Burlington traffic, Cessna 738 Bravo Golf, taking off runway 24, left close traffic, Burlington.
Burlington traffic, Cessna 8 Alpha Charlie is clear T4.
Alright, make sure full rich. Trim set for takeoff. On both, that's on altitude. Alright, everybody ready? And I will set a timer. Do that for fuel. We turn into the wind. You don't want to leave any wasted runway space. We have 6,700 feet of runway in front of us. 2424, full power. RPM's good, suction's within range, instruments green, airspeed's alive, we're waiting for 60. Rotate, we'll do what's called a high performance takeoff, which they were joking about, because this airplane's not really made for high performance, but oh well.
So what is a high performance takeoff?
So basically, try to stay close-ish to the ground, and then we do that.
Burlington traffic, fuel trucks crossing 624 at Charlie.
Alright, this will beam our touchdown point, so we'll carpet on. Wait for the white arc. Now we're in the white arc. White arc's referring to the inner white arc on this airspeed indicator. And the white arc means that we are within safe speed range to begin lowering the flaps.
Hey, this is the hardest part.
Yeah, to an extent. This is the part where little things make a big difference. Alright. Time to stop, flaps up, carpet off, trim set for takeoff. Alright, full power. Airspeed's alive, everything's looking good. This will be a normal takeoff.
Burlington traffic, Baron 16 Papa's crossing runway 624 Charlie, Burlington.
Burlington traffic, Cessna 738 Bravo Golf on the upwind, left close traffic, runway 24, Burlington.
Are you a senior?
I am a senior, yes.
Major?
I'm a music major, a Hebrew minor,
Southbound traffic, 7758, Kilo Quebec, going final 23, southbound.
but I'm looking to be an airline pilot, so.
Why Hebrew?
I went to a Jewish day school, I'm Jewish, and I learned Hebrew there, and it's just a language that fits well. I like it. I've been to Israel 3 times where they speak it there. So, yeah, it's kind of unusual, but they do offer it at UNC, so.
They actually have like a pretty big Jewish studies department, don't they?
Yeah, I mean, for the South, it's quite impressive. Same thing with Hillel, it's impressively active. Although, like I am, most of the people at Hillel are out of state just due to American demographics. Not a lot of... Won't find a lot of them Hebrewish people down these southern parts. And you'll notice these little black marks sort of in the grass on either side of the runway. Those are 1,000-foot marks. But I tell you how many thousands of feet you have left in the runway.
A lot of pilots have to like go back up. They're not coming.
What? Yeah, if they go along and they see that they haven't touched the ground and they know that they need several thousand feet. Ah, yeah! Alright. Flaps up, carb heat off, trim for takeoff, and full power.
That was a pretty nice landing.
Alright, thanks. We'll do one more.
Can we do the one that's like the first thing?
The high performance?
Yeah.
Alright, sure. Alright, engine mints, look at the green, rotate.
That's gotta be one of the more fun parts of flying.
Oh yeah.
The quick up and then plane just dropping kind of from under you. What are some of your favorite maneuvers?
I actually like slow flight.
Burlington traffic, Cessna 738 Bravo Golf, about to turn left base, runway 24, Burlington.
Roger, you should be overweight, we're still about 10 miles out.
The tradition is when you do that double click with the mic, is sort of a Roger, got that. And then at night, when you have uncontrolled fields like this, they have what's called pilot controlled lighting. And so the lighting is set up to recognize certain clicks on the frequency. So if the runway lights are off and you want them on, you can either give them 3, 5, or 7 clicks for low, medium, or high intensity lighting. So it's often cool when you're in the middle and it's night and it's black everywhere, but you can see the rotating beacon on the airport, which is always on. And then you go chick, 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 and then all of a sudden the lights just whoom, runway out of nowhere. It's so cool.
Like, what if you sneeze a bunch of times and it sounds like...
No, it has to, no. It doesn't work that way.
It's probably the way you actually like open the signal.
Yeah, exactly, because you see the X?
Yeah.
That's the signal, so if it recognizes signal on, signal off, signal on, signal off. I'm not sure that it actually listens to the clicks as much as it is that signal on, signal off, signal on, signal off. Alright. Yeah. Oh well.
Kind of funny.
We'll take the next one. Alright, flaps. Up.
You're a pretty smooth pilot.
Oh, thank you. What's interesting is a lot of people don't notice that on the ground you control it but with your feet. Because you, use the rudder pedals. This does absolutely nothing on the ground. It's not like a car. Alright, so...